It's a two-door. It has that place for ice cubes and water dispenser. It's 151,000. 10-year warranty also. Hi guys, I'm in the shops. I want to show you the fridges that are available over here. I'm sorry if it's noisy. I was told not to record with the camera. So I'll show you and explain the prices, and then you guys can decide which ones you want and the sizes. Okay? I'm at Baraka Bazaar. It's on 12th Street in Isili. Like this one, for example, it's 90,000. The prices are indicated. This is how it looks. It has a 5-year warranty, and it's a Mika. It's a Mika fridge. It looks like this inside. I'll just turn the camera around. Freezers also available from Mika. Unajua freezer haina mambo mingi. They look like this inside. Unaweka nyama, unaweka kuku, unaweka kila kitu. This one, for this freezer, if you're planning to buy a freezer, this is 62k, but I'm sure it's very, very negotiable. These are good people. And this is another freezer. It has all these. And the pricing for it is 63,000. Very reasonable. And it's a big freezer. Maybe you guys haven't seen the way it is. It's a big freezer. It's very nice. Yeah, we have washing machines hapa za 31k. Na hii iko na kula na washer na ni 31,000. It's a 10 kg washing machine. There's another one here for Ramdon's washing machine. Also, it's a price. Yeah, just indicated price. So you guys, if you want, that is a look at Zico 112k. 112,000. Ile ya duka. Yeah. Bram, Solstar, different brands. Iko na warranties are 12 years old. 12 years. Prices, I think nimeona hiyo peke yake ya price, na hiyo ni double door na hii ni single, so maybe it's half the price. Oh, this one haijawekwa pricing, so I think it's negotiable. Both of them are Bram, but ni zile za dukani. Ni zile za duka zenye ukitaka unafungua na duka. Hivi ndio zinakaa to the bottom part. So you can make time and come and have time and shop. It's a big place. Iko na mahali ya kila kitu. There are even carpets over here. Kitaka umeshika. One is this one. 109,000. It has a 10-year warranty. It's smart inverter technology. It's a Mika, and it's 109,000. It's also energy saver, and it has a 10-year warranty. I was allowed. I talked to him at the reception. He said yes. Thank you. Another one, it's like this. It has a freezer, an ice place. The places for ice, they are literally brand new. I don't know if it's literally or literary brand new. Oh, this one is closed. And then there's this one. It's a two-door. It has that place for ice cubes and water dispenser. It's 151,839. I'm sure it's negotiable. And then it's a Mika, 10-year warranty also. They give you the warranty, unaenda nayo. So it has a ice tray, it has a deodorizer, ile yenye ikiwa na harufu yenyewe inajiclean. It has lights, LED, a high voltage. It's cool, it's a cooler, it cools the whole place. And it has up to 12-hour cooling retention. And it's also a Mika, a two-door. Let me show you. It's really big, it's taller than me. You can see. And then there's another fridge called a Nexus. The Nexus is 75k. It's a nice fridge vile mnaona, ni fridge tu ya kawaida. It has this number of compartments. These are the people who are selling these items. In case you want, you can just call them there. They deliver even free delivery. And then here is the freezer part. Yeah. And then there's a Boast. It's already sold in cash. That's how much these things are on. They are in good condition. In here it's 3,775. Also all the other advantages apply. We have a Bram, which is 45,000, and it's big. I thought it's cheap. And it has a padlock. Those are the compartments down there. That's a Bram that is 45,000. Then it has this part that is for freezers. Then wow, we have a big fridge here, an LG, 139,000. It's black in color. It has inverter linear compression. It's energy saving. Haina kelele mingi ile ukiwa kwa nyumba usiku. It looks like a very nice fridge. And I'll show you guys. It's a Mika. It has 5 years warranty. It's at Baraka Bazaar. It has the customer care numbers for warranty. These are the qualifications. It's energy saving and so on and so forth. It has a meat and fish compartment. It has the place for vegetables. It has no frost airflow. And then this pack is like this, and it's 90,000. And then here is the freezer, and it's a multi-flow freezer. So the next one, sasa nimeungana ule akanikubalia. Asante. Wewe ni customer? Mimi ni salesman. Wewe ni salesman. Acha niwaambie, naambia kwa video. Another one over here is 109,000. Come and show my viewers what you got for Valentine.
Eden knows very well that I love food. I don't like stuff like flowers, and I don't like chocolate.
Oh, my daughter's Valentine gift from her best friend. Wow.
No, you're not eating it. It's mine. What the butter
Please give me some.
You got this. You got flowers. Happy Valentine's. Happy Valentine's, everyone.
Please, nitestishe kidogo.
Take wine.
Zezi kutestisha wine because you're a baby.
Yes.
And you know that. That's why you're asking me to give.
Too old for. Can I have one, Tamara? No.
Aki Tamara mpe. No, skuli uliniambia mpaka nikamforce akakupea gift yake.
You see, Mama.
I see. And you told me. No, give him one ndo anipe kidogo. Wewe ukule full. They are together. Ndio hiyo yenye umeshikana.
No, this one just has chocolate on it.
Mom, separate it so that you can give him one and then you give me some.
Mom, this is mine.
I know you, even that day that was his and he gave you.
Plus you can't even crack it. It's Eden who baked it.
Let me crack it. Yeah, it's only fair, Ethan. Imagine, sio ndugu yako hajapata any.
I asked you to get us something for Valentine's.
To get who?
You asked.
You guys?
Yeah. Ukasema no.
Let her separate here, baby. Na mimi?
Mommy, you have your wine.
I have my wine.
You have your wine. I have your wine. By the way.
Ina vile nimekutetea upewe, baby.
Mom, you have wine and you have a bouquet of roses. You have a...
I've given you some of my roses.
Mama, you have drunk that too, the half. Yeah.
I've drunk it, Dad.
Yeah, happy Valentine's Day to both of you. I've eaten with Ethan.
Sasa mbona ulikuwa kimnyima?
Nimempea. Sasa mnaenda. Will you guys go for dinner?
I don't know. Let me just get ready in case.
The moment we come is the moment havoc starts.
Havoc has started. Even I'm not focusing on my subscribers anymore, Aki. Subscribe, guys.
Time is coming. Oh, lonely.
At least my kids wamepata Valentine. This is wine and it's alcoholic, tafadhali. It's called rosé. Baby, si nimekutetea please. Nipe kidogo.
You already nimekunywa.
Oh, umeninyima. Wewe nyamaza. Wacha nipewe na my son.
Bye.
You can give me kidogo. Si nimekutetea ukapewa. Let me bite kidogo. Thank you, my son. God bless you. Thank you. At least my son just gave me something.
I gave you my life and my love.
My daughter ameninyima. Wacha ongeze calories.
You're not blurring this out, mom. You're not blurring this out, by the way. I will add it no matter what. You know, I can also edit. I
already have uploaded it.
I can also edit, and I will upload this. Hiya. You know what? At least I can.
Hizo ni calories tu. Wacha a celebrate calories zake.
Nessa, I'll exercise. I'll become thin and cuter than I already even am. Prettier than I am.
Even the way you are, you're already pretty. You're already.
Jealousy too.
Amepewa vitu na rafiki yake, amekataa kushare hapa kwa nyumba. Na mimi nimewapea flowers, wameenda kupea macrush zao.
Ati crush. Sina crush.
Uko na crush, I know.
What do I do here? You're ugly.
Nikwa, ay, mom. You're too beautiful for them, eh?
Hey, I wanna stand.
That's my daughter. Hey.
No.
Mimi,
Mama, can I have a chocolate?
A chocolate. I think there are chocolate sweets upstairs. Go and take.
Yeah, go get those.
But wewe mama umeninyima. Hey.
Happy Valentine's.
Usiniambie happy Valentine's bila cookie. Nipe kidogo hata niume kidogo.
Happy Valentine's.
Sitaki kiss bure. I don't want an empty kiss. I don't want.
My kiss is full of love. What do you mean empty?
I want some cookie.
Bite. 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 Look what they do! No, I'm not giving the chocolate, please. Don't give. Ona vile umeanguka.
Pole baby.
Yeah,
thank you, my angel.
That's disgusting. You're welcome.
God bless you. No, it's alcoholic. Don't drink.
No,
Mama, please can I have some chocolate? Please, Mama, please.
Because you gave me yours. Hata ningekunyima. Asante mama.
Mom, you watu wengine, me, I love my body.
Amen. Amen, my angel. I like that.
Of course, there are some things that I don't like, but you know what? In general,
Who doesn't have something they don't like? Give me one person mwenye kuna kitu apendi kwa mwili yake.
Kylie Jenner.
If she really loved her body that much, like us, even half of it, she wouldn't have done surgery. But you have to love yourself to do surgery.
Yes, you have to love yourself to love others.
No, to even do surgery. You have to love yourself more than the average person.
So, kula cotton buds?
Kula zote, baby.
Okay.
Now my kids are home. Ni vituko tu. Kwanza my son. Fadhali hata my daughter. Aki baby, stop it. My video doesn't. Those things don't belong to my video.
This can be used in a picture. Like the color.
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
You can take a picture just like... Oh my god, it's so pretty.
It looks good. You want to take a camera and take a photo for me?
Yeah. I need to eat, I need to do my work.
Yeah, you need to do your homework, eat. What else do you have lined up?
Exercise. I have to exercise.
Hey, you've not exercised for a while.
No.
And that cookie is too big to not exercise, to just eat. Yani, best yako alipika hiyo cookie? Yani, best yako hezi tuletea. It's so yummy, that cookie is yummy. My daughter's friend.
Best friend.
Okay. My daughter's best friend made a cookie for her for Valentine. Your friend is nice. Utatoka tu. Even though mnasemanga you guys, is this what you normally say when eating junk? When you're making mistakes on your diet? Is this how you encourage yourselves, like my daughter? So guys, that's the look for today. My kids have come back home from school. My Valentine's Day makeup look. What do you guys think?
Chicken!
Yeah, we made chicken for Valentine. And you're here refusing to give me a cookie at you. So, guys, bye. See you. Take my... Please. You guys, bye. Thank you.
I'm so sorry.
She was doing this. Look. She was doing this.
Bye everyone. Bye everyone. Happy Valentine's Day.
That's what she was doing.
Happy Valentine's.
Let me record. Thank you guys for everything. Thank you for my views. Please
Please
stop.
even crying. You're just from doing your makeup look and you're already crying.
No comment. Thank you guys for being with me this long. Stop.
You have limits. You can use.
Don't talk again. So thank you guys for coming along with me for this video, for this look that we just made. Thank you. And happy Valentine's Day. Kindly take my advice here and there. That don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you're new over here, nashukuru, you are home already. What are you still looking for on YouTube? Please subscribe to my channel. It's one of the best channels with advice, with fun, with family, with love, with everything. Okay, guys? We talk about everything. We talk about dating. We talk about family life. We talk about Valentine, advice, you know.
Happy Valentine's,
We
everyone.
talk about men. So don't forget to come back over here, guys, so we can just continue. So subscribe, put on your notification bells so that you can continue sharing information, news, so that I can continue giving you my opinions. Remember, those are my opinions. There is no wrong or right opinion over here. This is a judgment-free zone. So feel free, subscribe, like, and so on and so forth. My son is here. Hey, I'll see you guys. Bye.